Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to update Toyota Tacoma software. First, you'll want to check your current software version to see if an update is even needed. Make sure your Tacoma's battery has a good charge, at least 50%, to prevent any interruptions during the process. Also, have a clean USB drive ready. It should be formatted to FAT32 for best compatibility. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful update. Next, head over to the official Toyota owner's website. You'll need to log in or create an account to access the support section. Once there, navigate to the Software Updates area and find the specific update package for your Tacoma model. Carefully download these files to your computer. It's crucial to ensure you're getting the correct version to avoid any compatibility issues during installation. With the files downloaded, transfer them to your prepared USB drive. Make sure the files are placed in the root directory, not within any folders. Now, take the USB drive to your Tacoma and insert it into the designated USB port, usually found in the center console. The infotainment system should detect the update automatically. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to start the installation process. After the installation is complete, the system will likely restart. Once it's back up, navigate to the software information screen to confirm that the update was successful and the new version number is displayed. Take some time to test out any new features or improvements. Finally, consider registering your updated software with Toyota through their owner's portal. This helps keep your vehicle's records current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.